Sneaker Fiends, what is going on? Hope all you guys are having a blessed and happy day. All you guys are being safe out there with everything going on. But I'm coming to you today with another unboxing video. It's your boy Chris G, aka FreshPrinceOfJs, and here I go unboxing another shoe here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Today, got a package here in the mail. As you can see, a bigger box. If you guys have been watching my last videos, you can see that I've been having the worst of luck with receiving shoes, resellers, just anybody. It doesn't necessarily mean resellers, but people have been shipping their shoes in just a mailbox. Please, people, double box your shoes. You know, I don't care if it's your granny's Skechers or your grandpa's Oshkosh Bagosh shoes. Please put the shoes in another box. But let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Let's go ahead and get out my handy dandy knife. Yeah, I cut your ass. Here we go. Let's go ahead and bust open this video. In the meantime, while I open up this video, tell me, guys, how's your day going? How's your week? You know, how's the start of the month been going? What shoes have you copped recently? Have you guys copped this shoe? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me go ahead and give you that bird's eye view of what I see. Got that old Jordan box. Go ahead and get into it, man. See, this is a nice, well-packaged shoe. As you guys probably already know, go ahead and get that focus. Size 12. Air Jordan 13 Retro. Size 12 Navy, University Blue Marine, Carolina, Blue Carolina. Got that old school Jordan box, man. Let's go ahead and get a peek at it. Whoa, wow! You guys seen it? You guys seen this? Get that paper action. Wow! There you see the shoe right there. Oh, go ahead and pull this out. Oh, got that new Jordan smell. Damn, that's the best smell, man. But here you go. Air Jordan Flint 13s. Dead stock. Got that paper still on the eyeball there. And my first impressions is wow. Soft upper. This shoe feels nice in hand. Pictures online, I mean, of course we all know this is the classic colorway. This Flint colorway here. Go ahead and dive, get the other shoe out. Make sure they're both the same size, you know what I'm saying? Oh, got that smell check. Wait, hold on. Oh, dead stock. There you guys have it. Air Jordan 13 Flints. Just a classic shoe, man. I mean, what else is there to say? I don't have to say very much. I'm sure you guys seen hundreds and thousands of reviews online. But just a classic shoe. Dead stock. Man. If I was you guys, I would go ahead and try to cop my pair now. I feel like it being a classic colorway, OG colorway, even though Jordan never wore them in games or anything, but it being just a classic shoe, silhouette, color, I would cop my pair now because as you guys probably see recently with all, well, I know a lot of the ones have been skyrocketing ever since the Jordan documentary, but I mean, a lot of classic colorways are booming up there, man, and these have the first time they've been released in what, a decade. So if I was you guys, man, I would go try to cop them while they're still at an affordable price, because in a couple years I feel like these are I don't feel like they're gonna double up, but they'll be up there, guys. So don't sleep, catch yourself some Flint 13s while you still can. With that being said, guys, Hope you guys continue to have a blessed day. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know if you were able to cop a pair. Did you strike out? Did you take that elusive L? Or did you go ahead and take that W? Let me know, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell button for all to be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, man. Again, thank you guys. Have a blessed day. I'm out.